So today's video is going to be on Popcaan new commercial in the US. So the ad for Coca-Cola has been released and it's the new 2017 Coca-Cola ad. And Popcaan, the unruly boss himself, is featured on that commercial. Nothing but waves in the make waves in the international scene. So Poppy always collaborating with international artists, and Young Thug is no different. Popcaan collaborated with the Gorillas. He collaborated with Drake. He was recently in the Nicki Minaj video No Frauds with Drake, Tushi, and Nicki Minaj. So Popcaan upon the international scene hard, hard, hard. The man they rap hard. As he said in a song, he don't win the Grammy. Shoot them, okay? And he's making good on that statement. If he continues to open doors as far as these international markets are concerned, I think Popcaan Grammy is waiting on him. They wait upon him. And especially work hand in hand with Drake. A lot of people will talk negative about Drake. A lot of people will say how Drake they try to rip off we culture. He's trying to get paid off our heritage and our music, and he try sound like we and talk like we, and he's ripping off dancehall music and dancehall culture. And he don't know nothing about dancehall music and dancehall culture. It is what it is at this point. As you guys know, Popcaan and Drake always the link. So whether you guys like it or not, Drake is always gonna be going into that dancehall scene. That's something he loves. That's something that his audience loves. So him always gonna link with Poppy. Him always gonna be doing some Jamaican flair, and flavor in our music, and I can't blame him because that's the new wave. That's the wave that's actually bringing people from Rihanna work, 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 and Drake Controller, um, and Tory Lanez. Like, that's the wave. That's what's popping. So I can't blame him. But Popcaan part in the commercial was from a song he did like a few years back. It's called Good Times. And he said he wasn't sure that he wanted to collaborate with Young Thug because Young Thug kind of did shaky. With Jamaican and Jamaican artists, they have to be very careful who they link with. Be very careful who they put their brand to, because Jamaican people are very judgmental. Jamaican people like to attach stigmas to certain people, and Young Thug is no different. I know I did a video on Young Thug. I know a lot of my audience is saying my batty man and him a this and him a that and him fishy and him shaky and all sorts of things. And I don't blame Popcaan for being a little bit weary of doing a collaboration with Young Thug, because Young Thug's image, Young Thug as a international artist, as a rap artist, is very controversial. Some people like him, some people love him. I'm gonna blame Poppy if he actually take the time out if you do some research on him and these things. But I also know or feel on the other hand that a person's image, what people choose to do with their life or not do with their life shouldn't be anyone's business. Like, if it's a good partnership and it works and it brings both of you guys money, I don't see the issue. I don't see the whole uproar. I don't see why you have to check in file. Like, once it's about business and money, I feel like nothing should come between business. Business is business regardless of who's doing it or what they do in their personal life or how them dress or how they look and how them talk and all these things. Business is just business. And congratulations to Poppy for actually doing this commercial. Not only he's been featured in a Coca-Cola commercial, he's been featured He's been featured in a Michael Jordan commercial, his sound, his audio. So Popcaan have two internationally acclaimed brands underneath him belt. I don't think there is no other artist in Jamaica will have two big brands under their belt like Popcaan. Michael Jordan, you know how Jordan is big in the United States? No coca-cola, the man thing shot. It gone away a road, okay? And if he continues to do this, they will have no choice but to give him the visa. They try withhold from him and trying to make the man fly. As you guys know, Popcaan has not been able to come to the United States of America because of his whole association with Vybz Kartel. Them say anybody associated with Vybz Kartel won't be getting a visa. Popcaan is no different. That's why Tommy Lee had to go a court to get fame visa and all these things. But with the rate that he's going and with these commercials that he's doing, after a while, they will have no choice but to give him the visa there. Popcaan, I'm putting it out there. Y'all get the visa. Brains and the Beat said it first. Y'all get the visa there. Hold on. Hold tight. Busy just get fame. You'll get fear next. See a Jamaican artist on the international scene, making waves, making moves, doing big things, collaborating with international artists, getting their name and their brand out there. And money we say fi make. Money fi make. Okay? As far as dancehall music and dancehall genre is concerned, money today. Make the money. There's also speculation that Drake and Popcaan have an album that they're working on, and I think they do have an album working on, because if they don't, that would be a big disappointment. If Drake and Popcaan actually release one album, that we make guarantee Popcaan at least to get 7 or 8 Grammy for the album there. Grammy nominations. Guarantee it. So Popcaan, go on, do your thing. Go on, press gas.
Oh yeah.
Don't play, really killing them.
Boys in that night, we're all them down, be right, not like how they can break.
Yeah, don't play, killing them.
And this is the reason, this is one of the reasons why Popcaan left the whole clashing thing and the whole war thing. You know, see, stronger now. I paid him the song, the Poppy they sing now. He's trying to switch up his image. He's trying to do some different things. And in order for you to get good in with certain people, you have to switch up your image. You have to do some things differently. And that's exactly what he's doing. And it's paying off. It's paying off. This man is probably making millions off this one commercial. So, big up to Poppy. Big up to everybody that endorse Popcaan. Because as the man said, unlike to endorse bad things about him in the media, but now endorse the good things. Poppy. So comment in the comment section and tell me what you guys think about the commercial. I won't be having it in my video. My YouTube channel is a mono. Me now put them thing in my video. Okay? Yes. So don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to your girl here on YouTube. I'm out of here, man. Deuce.